Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to EduTap and welcome to 5 minute series lecture. So today again I've brought a very important topic under ESI Static for NABARD Grade A 2021 examination. Before we proceed, I will request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel also so that you can get daily content, daily videos that are absolutely free of cost. So moving to the topic directly, guys, the topic of the day is Human Development Index. Human development is a topic that has been given in your syllabus. We will discuss about the important aspects of this index, which has been asked in exams multiple times. So human development index is basically a statistical tool that is used to measure a country's overall achievement. So there are a lot of dimensions in which the achievement of any country or achievement of any person can be measured, that is social, economical, political. But this tool takes care of social and economic aspects or dimensions for the human development. Now, there are three dimensions under social and economic dimensions broadly that are taken into consideration in HDI. That is health of people, their level of education and standard of living. So basically this index does what is that measures these three levels of a country, people of the country, and then tells that at what level does that country stands. Okay. Now, where did this come from, HDI? What is the concept of Human Development Index? So, I'll tell you that. See, Human Development Index was first, the concept as a concept was given by the economist from Pakistan, Mehboob ul Haq, and was created in the year 1990. So, this is Mehboob ul Haq. He came up with this concept. Now, this concept was appreciated and was taken up by United Nations to evaluate the level of individual human development in various countries. So Human Development Index has been officially adopted by United Nations Development Program to come up with an index which is released every year. So what are the components of HDI, right? Like if someone is given scores, if any country is given scores, what is the basis of it? So guys, there are three dimensions as I've told you earlier, and there are four indicators. So these indicators are under dimensions. Okay, like how will one dimension be measured? So health is the very first dimension. It is indicated through life expectancy and birth. That you want to measure health, what will you measure? That how ill they are, at what age they are. So they chose this concept of life expectancy at birth. The average is taken for the entire country. Then education, very important dimension, and there are two sub indicators for this education measurement. One is the mean years of schooling the adult goes, and expected years of schooling, that when you start going to school, how many years are you expected to spend in school. Second is the total years that you have spent, the mean years. Third dimension is, guys, living standards. So living standards are measured by per capita income, gross national income per capita. So PCY, or per capita income, it is called as. So this is very important. Mark my words. What are the dimensions of Human Development Index? Very basic: health, education, living standard. What are the sub indicators? That also are very important. You have to remember them. Now guys, countries in the HDI are ranked based on scale from 1 to from 0 to 1. 0 is low, 1 is high. Countries fall into four basic categories: very high human development, high human development, medium, or low human development. If a country is, let's say, scoring really well in terms of health, education, and living standards, then that country will be in very high human development category. If the country is not doing well, then country will be in high development, not very high but high. So let me tell you, India is usually in the low human development category as of now, right? So how now this knowledge can be utilized in your examination? As I've told you, this concept has been asked again and again. So here is one sample question taken from previous year paper of NABARD Grade 2018. The question was, HDI released by UNDP is a composite index with three parameters: life expectancy, per capita income, and so life expectancy is for health, per capita income is for standard of living, and third is education. We have seen your mean school years and expected school years. So education, right? Please do not forget education, per capita income, and your life expectancy. These are the three dimensions. So answer here is education. I hope this helped you. This is a quick series tried to give you concept clarity so that you can answer such questions with a very ease. Thank you for your time. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.